All right, welcome to Project PCC system number 4. So this is the 4th of 7 system layouts that we're going to be doing, and today we are focusing on the Grand Power Global Ordnance Stribog. This is the SP9A3 version, and we are pairing it with our anechoic suppressor. We have, for our optics illumination combo, the Holosun SCRS and the PiD Dual. In our furniture, we are bringing in the new F5 modular brace system and the KDG 3-inch rail extension. So if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know what a big fan I am of the Stribog. And I just feel like the value that these bring in a roller delayed subgun might be unmatched across all the platforms. Another added bonus is the Stribog in itself is got a huge aftermarket now, and it just seems to just keep growing. So this unit is, like I said, the A3 model, which has an 8-inch barrel and uses the Stribog specific mags. For this, we have the Global Ordnance built ones that are made in the USA. And the one thing that's kind of interesting about the Stribogs in themselves is, getting back to the aftermarket piece, there are companies that make lowers that change up the mag interface as well as some of the components. Lingle Industries is one of these companies that I've used before, and theirs are really amazing and they work really well. It changes it and converts it to different mags if you're interested in that. These can run, the upper itself can handle running Glock, Colt, Scorpion mags along with the standard Stribog mags, and the lowers also convert to be able to put an AR style grip, safety, and trigger in. So if you want to get back to that kind of normal feel that you're used to, that kind of lends itself well for that. And then finally, they come with a 1913 pick rail on the back. However, the F5 system actually replaces that altogether. That whole plate comes out, and it lends itself for kind of a seamless, like integrated interface to it, and it allows for a little bit of weight savings because of that, and less attachment points. So you're not attaching to the plate and then attaching 1913 to the pick rail. It takes one of those out of the loop, and this imports kind of directly into the back end of the upper. One other cool thing to note is that this KDG handrail extension allows for you to kind of sink your suppressor in a little bit and give both a little bit of heat barrier around, as well as kind of tuck it in and allow for more space on that rail up front for different accessories. So I'm excited to get that on. I've used those before as well, and they work great. Just like all the other systems, we're going to be building this thing up. We're going to be putting it in scenarios where we think it's a really good PCC for the use case, and then we're going to let you guys decide if you would build it up that same way, if you build it up slightly different, and kind of compare it across all the different systems that we're doing. If you like what you see, do me a favor and support the channel by subscribing and following along. Thanks so much.